I'm Mac, this is Jacob. Welcome back to another Warner Rentals video tutorial. In this week's episode, we're going to be covering how to use an excavator. Excavators are really versatile machines that can be used in a different variety of applications and jobs. Here at Warner Rentals, we have a number of different sized excavators and attachments that, when used together properly, can help you get your job done efficiently. Today's video is going to focus on one of our mid-sized excavators, which is a 5-ton John Deere. This excavator is great for small to medium-sized projects. Before starting any machine, we always recommend that you take the time to familiarize yourself with the operator's manual and ensure that you're always wearing the appropriate PPE. The operator's manual in this instance can be located behind the seat in the cab of the excavator. Once you've taken the time to familiarize yourself with the operator's manual, we recommend that you conduct a simple pre-trip. A walk around is important because you can identify hazards around you, hydraulic leaks or potential damages, and prevent them from getting any worse. If you identify anything that you feel could be concerning, please don't hesitate to contact our service department straight away. They're always happy to help. Jacob will now show us how to operate the excavator. When entering or exiting the cab of the excavator, always ensure you maintain 3 points of contact at all times. It goes without saying, but always wear your seatbelt. Now, let's start the machine on low idle and allow it to warm up the engine oil and hydraulic fluid to operating temperature. These are hard-working, high-performance machines, so engines that are warmed up properly will last longer than those fired up and operated immediately. While you're waiting, you can check your monitoring system to ensure all the systems are working properly. All of our excavators have dual control patterns. For today's video, we'll be using the ISO excavator control pattern. To activate your hydraulic functions, you will need to lower the hydraulic safety control. The left-hand joystick controls the swing, left and right, and the stick boom, away and close. The right-hand joystick controls the main boom, up and down. It also controls the bucket motions, close and dump. The lever to the right of the right-hand joystick controls the blade. By lifting it back, you can lift it up, and by pushing it forward, you can push the blade down. By pushing the levers forward, you can drive the machine forward. By pulling back, you can go in reverse. The pedal to the right of these levers controls the boom articulation. The button on the right-hand joystick controls the thumb. We recommend that you regularly check your hydraulic fluid level, which can be done easily by collapsing all the hydraulic cylinders on the excavator. Now that you've collapsed all your hydraulic cylinders, you'll be getting a true reading of the hydraulic level. So long as it's in between the two red lines, it's in the prime operating range. By taking the time to complete these steps before operating, you will know that your machine is ready for your day's work, ensuring top performance and reliability. To change the bucket, lift it so it's slightly off the ground. Next, lift up the hydraulic safety control to disable all hydraulic functions. Now you can remove the safety wedge. You can use a crescent wrench, but it's better to use the right size wrench. In this case, it's a 1 1/4 inch. With the safety wedge now removed, you can enter the cab again and curl the bucket, removing it from the boom. To reattach the bucket, simply line up the boom with the knuckle still curled to the new bucket's ears and slowly curl down. Now, you can reinsert the safety wedge and tighten. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to use an excavator. We'd also be happy to have a Warner Rentals team member give you a rundown before taking it on a rent. For any questions that you have about our excavators and attachments, please contact our expert rental team. See you next time.